So liability is a huge issue, and they can say that the manufacturer not only said the installation was done properly, but the manufacturer also said that all these units are calibrated and they're responding to gas. I give a calibration certificate for every unit that I calibrate once the installation is done, along with about 4 other RKI documents showing them exactly every step that I took to ensure that the product is installed properly. I oversee the entire project. I'm there from the first screwdriver being turned until we have provided on-site training. We will perform an on-site training class to whoever needs it, including maintenance, including service, including the operation, how it's wired up. So you should know from A to Z how that system works. And that's a real price advantage as it turns out. So say you pay just a little bit more up front, but over a year, over 2 years, you'll see that you pay less because you have confident employees that know how to maintain that equipment. The number one goal for us is to put in a system that they trust, not put in a system that every time it goes into an alarm they feel like there's another fault indication or it's an error. If they don't trust the system to protect their employees, then we all fail.